what you can see here on the table, what is being displayed? Chemicals. So can any one of you read the name of these chemicals which are kept here? Come on, Branch. Which is this chemical?
H2SO4.
Okay.
NH4OH.
Okay.
KOOH.
Okay. So next, come quickly.
COOH.
Okay, good.
NaOH.
Okay. So here, as you can see, जितना भी इन्होंने names read किया, few are acid and few are base among these. Okay. So today the chapter which we are going to study is all about acid and base, right? But abhi, so the name is displayed on the bottle, so you identified that it is acid and it is base. What if I turn these chemicals? Now will you be able to identify that कौन सा bottle कौन सा chemical है? Will you be able to identify? Okay, no. Okay, so for knowing the nature of these chemicals, that whether it is an acid or a base, what do we use? Indicators. From these, the indicators which are included in the syllabus is one is this litmus paper. Okay. So there are two types of indicators basically. One is natural indicator and another one is artificial indicator. So natural indicators के अंदर क्या क्या आता है? जैसे turmeric होता है, yes, China rose होते हैं, and all these are natural indicators, right? Whereas if we talk about artificial indicators, तो उसके अंदर से एक नाम आता है this phenolphthalein. What is it? Phenolphthalein. Okay. So here we are having two things to test that whether the given chemicals are acid or base. Okay. So are you ready to check this? The state of these chemicals?
Yes.
So if I want to check whether the given solution is acid, which litmus paper I will use, red or blue?
Blue.
Okay, and the color will change into
Red.
good. And if I want to check whether it is base, then which litmus paper I use?
Red.
And the color will change into
Blue.
So let's check. Okay, first we will check with the help of these litmus papers, and later on we will use phenolphthalein indicator. Now you have to tell me that what did I use, whether I took acid or I took base. Okay. So here I am taking a solution in this glass. हम दोनों से टेस्ट करेंगे, ओके, बिकॉज अभी हमें पता नहीं है कि ये एसिड है या बेस है. सो आई विल यूज बोथ लिटमस पेपर, रेड आल्सो एज वेल एज ब्लू आल्सो. सो हियर आई टुक रेड लिटमस पेपर. एनी कलर चेंज्ड?
No.
No color change. So now I will take blue litmus paper.